Hello guys, today I will play Cabin 2 and that's new update. I saw it and that is pilot now. Let's do it. We have this. And then high level pilot and different type of landing moves with 10 based on the skill of the pilot. A class called pilot. These two procedures possible in flight entertainment on CCTV. Passengers get up during cruising to use Lewton. Multiply here. Flight host can now log communication in a tablet. Landing rules has now factored in to safety as well. Okay with this. You can start it. Okay, you can now. Bye. Oh. Wow, let's check out the pilot. We do this. This is free. To the hot to go and to yes, that's all. Yes, good. Done. Let's hire this. Let's hire all. Okay. Let's go, guys. Yes, here is our pilot. Wow, it's cool. I love this update. Wow. But I can be Chinese like this. 我要你是吗？这个飞机很好看哦。Wow, this is how I big. Wow, they go. Wow, they're going. Wow, that's so cool. That's so cool. What the hell? Oh my god. Wow, this stuff. Okay, let's get it. Is there anything? No. Why so cool inside? I'm sorry, sir. You can also see the pilot. You can also see the pilot.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck.
Okay.
Welcome aboard the flight.
Be back. Let's close the door. I done. Let's go with. Push back. What does? Oh. Okay.
Now we request your full attention to flight assessment system.
Yes, we are. Yay! Let's go. Happy birthday to you. It's still not. They're not controlling. Who's controlling? Oh, okay. Okay, let's go. No. Yes, my throat has been so long. Okay, be back.
For takeoff.
We are going now. We are on the runway, and now we are taking off. You know, runway. We are taking off now. I think we are going to set the. Okay. I am laggy, by the way. I'm laggy because I'm using Android. We are on the
This is
sky
your
now.
captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendant should start their in-flight service shortly.
plane is moving.
Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Where are they going? Oh, I think they're going to the...
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your first officer from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple
Wow,
of minutes.
the sun look cool.
At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened. Thank you.
Be back, guys.
Captain speaking.
Oh no!
We have experienced a cabin depressurization.
Oh no,
Flight
the
attendants, make sure all
depressurizer.
passengers have their oxygen masks
Go
on
faster!
and do it quickly.
Go faster! 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 We need to go fast. Go faster! Go faster! We got all? I think so. Yes. Yes, we got all. We got everyone. Okay.
Flight
We
attendants,
collect-
please prepare the
We
cabin
collect
for
all the
landing.
trust now. Let's do it. Right, done now. The pilot is so cool. Wow, I see the light. I saw the light. Wow, we are going to land. Yes. Wow, you're landing. Bro, you just hit the ground. You hit the plane just hit the ground. The back of the plane just hit the ground. Like here. Yes, here. The back door. Okay. We're not going to the gate. We're not going to the gate. 我要这个。那个飞机，这个飞机很大哎。Okay, let's do go. Continue. Yes, we continue. The land is so big. We are in Seattle now. And where is the airport? We just are going. Wow. So long be taking all the seriously. Let's do that. Let's take the pilot. What they're doing good. You can live. Wow. We got 364 guy bucks. What is cool? Oh. Pilot, you okay? By the way. I don't know. Okay, no. Let's go. By the way. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.